Mo kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odò. Information ńlá kan ni mo mú wá fún wa tí mo fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn jẹ àǹfààní látàrẹ̀. Ẹranko kan wà tí eléyìnbó ń pè ní geckos, Yorùbá pè ní ọmọ onílé. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwádìí ìmọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ àwọn dókítà wọ́n jẹ́ kó yé wa pé ẹranko búburú yìí ó burú ju ejò lọ. Wọ́n nítorí pé àwọ̀ tó wà lára rẹ̀ wọ́n ní kò gbọdọ̀ gbọ̀n sóúnjẹ tí gbogbo ìdílé kan fẹ́ jẹ. Wípé láàárín 60 seconds gbogbo ìdílé yẹn máa kú pátápátá. Ṣé wá rí pé ẹranko búburú yìí kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó máa bá wa gbélé. Bákan náà sì ni kò sí ilé tí ẹ lè wọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní bá ń bẹ̀. Ṣé wá rí pé ó dáa ká máa tún àyíká wa ṣe. Kí wá la lè ṣe láti fi lè kúrò ní àgbègbè ibi tá a bá wà. Wọ́n ní ká wá ginger, ká dẹ̀ wá iyọ̀, ká mix ẹ̀ papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn, ká wá fi sí orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin inú ilé. Wọ́n ní ẹranko búburú yìí ò ní gbóòórùn kìíní kó tún dúró síbẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa share fídíò yìí. Kẹ́ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn jẹ àǹfààní information tí mo mú wá. Ikú òjijì kò ní wọlé tọ̀ wá wá o. Ire o.
Say word gecko. Say in the poisonous. See, let me tell you. Listen and listen well. Most animal where God creates, mean they within humans, know the poisonous. That's one about it. I remain your brother man, Mr. Spade, with a fine job to give you that information. Now listen. I want to debunk one rumor, one information where they go around. Say word gecko. Word gecko. See how where? Say word gecko. Say in the poisonous. See, let me tell you. Listen and listen well. Most animal where God creates, mean they within humans, know the poisonous. That's one about it. Most of those videos they see, say what gecko keep for family. Most na handwork of content creators. Understand me? Most na handwork of content creators. They want creating will go viral, make people see. Check it's not proven. Check your Google, browse, make inquiry, make research. This wogeko, in my next video, you go see medicine why use and produce, use and prepare. Ask elderly man, elderly woman around you. She go tell you, say, wogeko. Then they use and they prepare medicine. In those olden days, when they work like contraceptive, when the woman no one begin again. He get medicine where they prepare. Me and Dr. John Dave, we go give you, we go prepare that medicine, make you know of it. You know they poisonous. Don't you they hear na content creator this and they do video will go viral? No. I want to debunk that more today. He gets medicine when they prepare for women who no one carry belly. Let's say he wants to the give gap, child spacing. No be now when you both don't bring, you know, family planning. Olden days, ask grandmothers. The this medicine will be say if a woman meeting her husband, the plan with Nzu, but with the main thing na this wogeko. When the woman go lick am, belly no fit enter. Till the woman want belly enter. Anytime you take this medicine, after meeting husband, now belly fit enter. So war gecko is not poisonous. Make research. Ask Google. It's not proven. It's still a rumor. So they accuse this animal. No, they accuse them. It's not poisonous. So are they here to debunk that rumor? Share the video. Let people say it's not poisonous. No see like say na village people send them or saying okay, na lie, big lie. This thing is in every homes. If they touch plate and spoon, how people don't die. This is a rumor where people will create content. One use take blue, one use to make money online. But why not make money a legal way? Why making money by, you know, forging things will be say, in fact, they even accuse animal we got create. Ask any herbal doctors. This thing they use and they produce so many medicine. They carry and produce. This one I don't want cash. When me and Dr. John Dave one use produce prepare medicine for somebody, one of our customers or patients. Use prepare medicine for the person. So no see what go like say now what in they harmful, what in they poisonous. I beg. I they give you the truth. Anything why I tell you, go verify them. Ask any herbal doctor. Ask and say, is this same poisonous? The answer remains no. Watch out for our next videos. We will show you everything that is being hidden, secret. We will reveal to you. I may your brother man, Mr. Spade. I define joy to give you that information. We will help you to bring out that fear from you about what. If you see and no fear, say, hey, you see that we get somebody here. That's somebody. I lie. Nothing they happen. Thank you so much.